assume this and this need to loosen up the bottom part of the track and slide over. I don't see any other way to do it. Right. There's a 10mm. Seems to be losing up the track. Bottom one. That's like right? Yeah, slides over now. Feel like we need to go in through down here. You. That's the part that I was missing. Alright, so we need to get this gasket out and all the broken glass out, and then put this on the bottom of the new window. Careful doing something like this though. Don't cut your hand on the glass and don't stab yourself with the end of the screwdriver. I'm going in one side very gently. I'm going to rotate out, see if I can just open it up some. That seems to be working pretty good. Do this side too. Very gently, not to slip, and don't cut yourself on the glass. Alright, appears to be coming on out. Sitting aside. Right. Should be able to put this back down now. Always best to be able to leave the dust cover in place to keep dust from getting over the motor mechanism and everything. And this we're going to put onto this, the window. Perhaps putting this part on first is a good idea. I've heard that putting some kind of glue, epoxy, is a good idea on the inside of this to hold it in place. So I think if this is pinched down well enough, it should hold it in place just fine, because there was no glue on it to begin with. So let's find out. The fellow at the auto glass place did tell me not to pinch it down too hard or else you'll break the glass. That seems like very sound advice. I can open this up a little bit further. screwdriver in, twist a little bit. This is some good drum and bass being played right now by DJ Kaneda. Street credits from OTB Sound Systems. Cool cat. I like the guy. He's actually the one that convinced me I'd be able to do this. Looks like he was right. There we go. Assuming it should be equal distance from the bend or the curve in the glass. That seems about right. I'm going to get a pair of channel locks and go in to pinch down on that just a little bit. This would be the part to be careful with, definitely, to keep from breaking the glass. Just gentle pinching. It's a pretty tight fit, so you shouldn't have to pinch it too much. And I've got the control arm, or the whatever this is called, the part of the window mechanism that raises and lowers it here. Got that all the way up in the up position, and I think I should be able to just slide it in through here and then start working my way down with it. Let's see if that works. Learning all this as I go, so bear with me. Alright, that's in place. Slowly go down with the window. Steady drop in the window. The DJ Kaneda. Yes, sir. Steady dropping, not raising.
Being the head trading exhibition, trading with head of an enemy won't believe the harness the spirits of that enemy.
Sweet. Alright, that part's in. Rotate this out. Do a little bit further. All right. There we go. It's all the way in the track. Go ahead and use my 10mm nut driver. Get this in place so the track is rigid again. Let's try it out. All the way down. Oops. There you go, DJ Kaneda. Steady dropping. Good friend. Like I said, he's the one that convinced me I could do this on my own. So, appreciate the vote of confidence. He was right. Raises and lowers just fine. And now just need to get the door panel all the way back on. Just slip the handle back in place like this. Comes back out through this way. Huh. Hello, kitty. Kitty has joined us. Meow. Hello, kitty. Got it? There we go. What we needed to do is line that hole up right underneath the green connector there, because that's where the Phillips head screw goes in. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my screw and screwdriver, put that in. I'm going to set you down over here for now. Steady. Don't keep dropping this. There we go. Next, put the light in at the bottom here. That has to go first. There we go. This is that light that we took off of the bottom at the very beginning. Put it back on. And it still works. That's a good sign. There we go. Okay, next up is, I believe, getting the clip stuck back in. Alright, we'll be lining up those plastic clips with their corresponding hole. It's all the way around. The first clip lines up. It does. Click it in. Same thing on this side. Should just be able to click it in. Yep. All the way back around. All of them have gone back in. Okay, so we have one screw that goes here, one that goes here, and then we put the covers back on, and we are good. Put this little cover back in here. Perfect. This goes right back here. The lock still works. Yep. Make sure the window mechanism still works. Shivvy. All right. I think we are done. Well, that wasn't so bad. I'll edit this together and that'll look like I didn't spend any time on it at all. All right. Peace, y'all.